Second gear, send it.
First gear send it, it's louder.
That way. Justin, turn that way.
I didn't know it was something.
G'day, Rocky's Section Adventures here, and the start of our cooking segment. I'll show you how we did it
Oh, you burnt the sausage.
right after this. I knew that was gonna happen.
Alright.
Very little throttle. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, now that way. Keep it smooth.
Even though it was there.
Reverse. Reverse.
Oh, don't. Oh. Only a little bit. We need a D-shackle to put on the back.
It's too there for a reason.
It's a bit cold. Yeah. Must be, you know, hot.
Open your door.
It's slowly going in.
Yeah, nice. Con!
Yeah, you can send it.
And that is how you set up a king dawning. I'm really not bothered. Like, actually not fucked.
Yes, he's moving it for me. I caught it.
Where's it going? Here.
Nah, here, mate. Here.
Right in front of the fire. Have to record a segment right in front of the fire.
Yeah.
A bit of spicy deja vu for all the fucking locals.
That is the sketchiest fucking barbecue I've ever seen in my life.
No, that's because other bits fucking off it. That's how we do it here at Rocky Section. No, that bad. You can actually jump on the shovel and like go down into the ground. I sort of jump on the shovel and it just sort of goes.
There you go. Rocky Section Adventures here. We've got Bailey, Justin, fucking Maddie and Lachlan's in the car over there. What? Got Beth here. That's alright. And cooking some fucking sausages. Can you get my beer for me? Please. So tip to cooking a good sausage is shut the fuck up! Sorry about that. Tip to cooking a good sausage, right? Is don't let a white person do it. You get a wog.
What?
It's the key. What? Saying what? Medium heat? Medium low heat? Right. Gently caress the sausages, you know. Not so much you'll burst them, you know, but keep them moving. You know, so they don't stick. Use some quality fucking oil. Fuck. Ow. Fuck off! So anyway, get some oil, spray along the sausages, you know, gives it a nice texture towards the end. Thank you, mate. Don't put oil next to a gas ring. That's a good way of doing it. Oh, mate. Neck the rest. I just fucking added beer, cunt! You didn't neck it! You put the beer on the fucking barbecue, you gotta neck it! Ignore him. So yeah, not much to it, eh? Just, you know, when they cook, you just take them off and you eat them. Sausage on a fucking roll. This cunt's back. So yeah, you can eat them on a fucking bread. Have them with sauce, whatever sauce you like, whatever fucking fancies your panties. Yeah, that's about it. I'll get back to you when sausages are cooked and we're out there sitting on the campfire having a nice feed.
We cook some more.
Just grab the ones that are cooked and eat if you want.
What are we doing here now?
At the moment, throwing on some nice McCain, you've done at a gang hash browns. Bit of potato, I think it's crumbed, salt, you know, usual shit. Throw it on the barbie like that once the sausages are almost done. Hash brown and sausages. No, this is not a breakfast, this is a dinner. I'm gonna beat that cunt one day. So, sausage is just about done now. Everyone's coming around for a nice feed.
Give me some fucking bread, dickheads.
That's the fucking bread, you fuck. Barbecue sauce is always the way to go.
I'm sorry,
Fuck
do you want some
tomatoes.
bread? You reckon they're hot?
Yeah, bro, fucking go for it. They're ready. Smell good? Oh,
That'll fucking do.
Hey, go.
They're still a bit frozen.
barbecue sauce.
Nah, eat it. She's hot.
You know what? When you get a fresh bottle of sauce, it's always good to take off the fucking seal. Language, there's kids watching this show. Fuck.
Well, we have to keep it PG.
No.
Fuck no, I've been swearing this whole time. Now that the seal's off, nice even amount of fucking barbecue sauce on it.
Yeah, do you want a bit of this?
Alright, alright, we're mixing now. It's fucking hot, but it's fucking good.
No! Oh, you fucking drunk.
It's good barbecue sauce.
Alright. Who's doing the send off? Oh, fucking hot.
Bailey, do the send off. Do the send off.
Oh,
Boom.
I can feel it going all the way down.
That's what she said. Do the send off.
Fucking catch us next time on Rocky's Selection Adventures.
On what?
Just realised
Rocky's
we have like
Selection
a strip club.
Adventures.
Yeah, that's the one.
I just realised we have like a strip club set up here. I don't want to do it. My fucking awning's gonna collapse. It's dirty.
Just what it is, a fucking top of the line, fucking $60 fucking King's awning right here.
It was $82.
Alright, flex even more cover. It looks like Darren.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, you got the same pair
I
as
sound like
yeah.
him too.
It does happen when you have the same parent.
Yeah, there is a slight possibility.
Alright, chef, what's going on?
Sausages, some hash brownies. Gonna marinate it in the fucking whatever juices they are.
Beer and dirt.
It's really warm on my balls.
Yeah, no, that's what I said there. That's what I'm standing there. So. Bailey, that's your sausage. Extra flavour.
Straight into your campsite.
Oh, that's so
That is
gross.
your sausage.
That is so
You know, that's kind of looks like my sausage.
Yeah, like if that was just that bit there, yeah, your sausage.
You can follow that dust, go with us, hop in the truck and fill it up, head to the river, relax, cool off just like that. When you need a little let go, you can meet me at the back road. When life gets tough, you've had enough. You can follow that dust. You can follow that dust. Back in the day we played, didn't know money needed to be made. We were outside all day with some real toys on replay. Everything nowadays feeling a little too fast. We need to slow the pace. Take a breath, grab a beer and hang a left. You can follow that dust, go with us.